Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Udoh. Every week I share great content that you can implement to master your personal finance and grow your wealth. So if this is your first time here, thank you so much for being here. In today's video, we're going to discuss why you should never chase money. So why shouldn't you chase money? That's a very great question that you should ask yourself. Now, rather than chase money, you should focus on providing value, and as a result, you will be compensated. So let's dig right into this now. Just 1 second here. Just trying to get onto the road. Okay, so let's get back in. So most people today choose to chase money, and it's very easy to fall into that trap of chasing money. So for instance, some of us get part-time jobs, we get all sorts of businesses going on the side, we stretch ourselves thin because we're just chasing money. So the key is you should never chase money, but rather you should strive to provide value, and as a result of that, you will be compensated. Now, most people who are very successful spend time doing things that they love, and they're able to monetize the things that they love to do. So if you like, fixing cars, or washing cars, or you like art, or you like to, draw, or you like to do things, you have to provide value to society, and as a result of that, you will be compensated. So most of us spend most of our lives chasing money, and the more money you're chasing, the less money you will have. It's a very unfortunate situation that most people don't realize, that the more money you're chasing money constantly, the more money eludes you. So it's just a law of nature. Anything that you're after, anything that you're chasing, eventually you're gonna have some problems with that, because it's gonna keep eluding you. Okay, so chasing money is not the ideal situation. This is almost like a very boring topic, but however, it's very critical that you understand that you cannot chase money. I used to make that mistake of trying to chase money all the time. You can't chase money, but rather you can chase your dreams, you can chase your passion, and try to go after that, and money will be a byproduct of that. So you have to provide value to the marketplace. I seem to sound like a broken record. Okay, I had someone reach out to me about how to create wealth, and my advice to them was, I'm not an expert, I'm still in the process myself, but from my research and things that I have come to understand, you have to create value in order for you to be able to build wealth. Okay, and then the money will come. The money always comes. Okay, as long as you're providing value to the marketplace, as long as you're doing the right things, then the money will definitely come. So what do you enjoy to do? What do you like to do? What are the things that drive you? Okay, what can you bring to the marketplace that can make you valuable? That's one question you need to ask yourself. Okay, what can you do, or what can you bring to the marketplace? Provide value, and in return, you will be compensated. So chasing money alone will get you burnt out, because you just be chasing money, and when is enough money? That's something you need to figure out. When is enough money? How much is enough money? Most people have chased money all their life, only to end up miserable, okay? Only to end up, not feeling contented, not feeling happy, not feeling fulfilled. So you can't just chase money. Money can't be everything to you, okay? So you want to make sure that you find the purpose for yourself. Once you find the purpose, once you know your why, then the rest is easy. Then money doesn't mean anything, because the money is going to come. And it took me a while to understand this, that once you find a purpose for yourself, once you find a meaning for your life, then the money is going to come. There's no two ways. Money has to come. All right. Even if the money doesn't come, but you're still happy with what you're doing, you're still happy with who you are, you're still feeling fulfilled. Okay. You're still, accomplishing your purpose in life. So for most of us, we have to figure out what's our purpose in life. I've already found out what my purpose is, and I'm pursuing my purpose right now. Okay, my purpose, is unique to your purpose, and my purpose are going to be different, because we all have different backgrounds, we all have different ethnicity, we all have different experiences in life, which will affect what our purpose will be in life. So you have to figure out what your purpose is. Once you figure out what your purpose is and you go after that, then the rest will be easy. So how can you monetize your purpose? So that's another question you need to ask yourself. How can you monetize your purpose? Okay, so that's something that you have to figure out. What can you bring to the marketplace that can make you valuable? So for some people, they might start like an Etsy store or like an e-commerce store where they, make products and then they sell them. So you have people that do like t-shirt businesses. They're very good at designs. You can do that. Or if you like to do things with crafts, there are people that do that. They do jewelry and they sell that. I'm not saying you're going to make a ton of money from that, but if that's what you like, if that's what your calling is, you can be very successful doing that. There are people out there that are making a lot of money making jewelry. Okay, so you don't have to, complicate things. Don't complicate things. Find what you're good at. Find what triggers you. Find what interests you, and then the rest will be easy. And then you just have to stay focused. You have to stay dedicated to whatever you put your mind to, and everything else will fall in place. So don't focus on money. Don't just focus on money. Yes, I know money is important. We all need money in life. We all need money to survive. We all need money to pay bills. But you can't just have money as your sole purpose in life, just chasing money. Okay? Provide service. Serve serve people, and the money will come. The more people you can serve, find a way to be able to be of value to a lot of people, and in return you'll be compensated. All right, so I hope you found some value in this video. I know it's a very boring topic right now. It might not be a sexy topic, but believe me, once you have a grasp of this concept that you cannot chase money, because chasing money is not everything in life, then you're way ahead. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you love my channel and if you appreciate my content, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so YouTube will notify you of my latest video. And please leave comments for me. I love to read your comments, and I love to respond to your comments as well, and it also helps me gauge my content as well. So thank you so much for being here, and please make sure you watch the next video coming up. It contains information that you find useful. Okay, stay true to yourself, stay true to your goals, never quit, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.